Yeah, I see. Damn. How are you all doing today? Hope you enjoyed the van tour video yesterday, but I kept getting asked it, so I thought just do it. It's not a overdone thing, it's just a quick walkthrough, so if you've not seen that already, then it's up here. Yeah, not really sure what the plan is in general now. I'm probably going to move soon, slowly start making my way somewhere, because I want to see some new stuff. All of this, that's a lot of envelopes. This means I can put some fuel in the van and actually go see some things. Although I've just run out of stamps, so I got that far. Hopefully they should be with you in the next few days. I put the diesel heater on this morning because it was a bit fresh and I didn't want to get out of bed. Oh, it's the life of luxury now, I'll tell you. I got this thing down to a T. I wake up, flip the diesel heater on with the remote control, stay in bed for half an hour. It's warmed up in here. Get up, turn the diesel heater off, fire this thing up, sit down, have a coffee. Just ordered a cigarette lighter thing, so that'll come tomorrow because I need one for, this is a 12 volt charger for the laptop, and the drone batteries can be charged on 12 volt as well. I've got the adapter for that too, but my little setup I've got going on here, it won't make enough power. I need an independent 12 volt like cigarette lighter thing to take these, because this takes quite a bit. I think this is 90 watt max, so it needs to be on its own circuit really. Same with the drone one, because it won't charge. I've tried it, so I'm having to charge the drone on inverter, which is a bit annoying. Right, so the plan for now is I need to nip to the local village and get some more stamps for this lot, and then after that I've got something kind of random but cool to show you. New toy, I've not looked at it yet, so we're going to experience it together. Go. Stamps are so bloody expensive. 15 quid for that, you know. Right, let's go have a little look at this thing. Any idea what it is? Oh, this should be interesting. Right, this isn't sponsored or anything. This was kindly bought for me by a friend. That is a big old pump. Any ideas yet? I'd say that'll probably give it away. Is. Oh my god. Oh, it's heavy. Oh yes. Oh yes. This is a thing. I was slightly concerned. I think I might have thrown away the instructions. But it's got numbers on which ones you blow up, I guess. So let's start with number 1. of all the random things on this channel, I think this might be up there. Oh god, that's awesome. It's got chairs as well. Oh, the chairs are inflatable. Look at this. There you go, that just pushes in like that. Sweet. There you go. I don't think it's quite blown up right, but for the purposes of looking at it, it's good enough. We are going to have some fun with that. It's pretty good. Middle bit. Also, you can angle one of them slightly. Oh my god, this is going to be so cool. Awesome. So there you go. That is the Intex Explorer K2. And that is probably going to be the thing that I die on. Oh, imagine. Even in Scotland, when we were up at those locks, could have gone out and explored on those little islands. And last thing, getting it back in the back was actually not too bad. The bag is obviously bigger. I hate it, you know, when you go camping and the tent bag is like so small and you just never get it back in properly. That's going to stay out because that's going to go on my door. He knows. Hey, Grip. Yeah. I'm going to show him in the van, but also I can wait. I've not seen it really.
I mean, if anybody followed me on Instagram, they'd see it.
True. Everyone go follow her on Instagram.
Yeah. Really
Do it from there. You're going to give them a tour anyway, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm really excited to show everybody with my lights. Because that's the newest edition, really, and it just makes it really good. So it's all up, it was all good, front pot.
Yeah.
Because I put it on the crack between the door and the opening, when I opened the door, it fell on my head. And I've got all soil in my hair. Bob, you're staying right there. Bob's not allowed in the garage. Bob. Stay here, please.
Oh my god.
Yeah, don't. Oh god, you don't think you should put this on the internet, honey? Because people want to think I'm a tramp.
But you don't live here anymore.
This is my house. Stay there, Bob.
God.
Yeah.
What happened?
All that's wood, by the way.
I see.
That.
See, this kind of stuff's okay. Yeah. It's really dry, but.
You're stealing all my wood.
I mean, you've probably got enough to like build a small village in here.
I'm sorry.
What are you doing? Oh, you're a good boy. Alright, stocked up on wood for some time now. Is my wagon still there? Yeah. Alright, hopefully there's no one in our spot, or that's gonna suck. And there's not. Perfect. Marie goes to her spot over there, so we don't block the farmer's gate. Oh, that's a good sight. Enough wood there to last me ages. And I got another bag in the garage.